you know that some people are making thousands of dollars a month renting out luxury cars without ever owning a single one? It's true, guys, and today I'm pulling back the curtains on the secrets of brokering high-end exotic cars for profit. If you've ever thought to yourself, I can't afford to buy an exotic car, so is this for me? Let me stop you right there. You don't have to own these cars to make money with them. In fact, brokering lets you get paid every single time someone rents a car without the risks of ownership. So stick with me, guys, because in this video, I'm sharing how you can find these cars, how to convince owners to work with you, and the exact steps to turn this into a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time income. So let's jump right into it. What is high-end or exotic car brokering? Let's break it down. Becoming a broker is simple. You rent out cars that belong to someone else and you take a cut of the profits. For example, let's say an owner charges $300 a day for a Mercedes and you can rent it out for $400. That's $100 in your pocket every day that the car is rented out. All right, but here's where it gets even more exciting. Exotic cars like Lamborghinis, Porsches, and Ferraris often rent for anywhere from $1,000 to $1,500 a day. Some go for higher for special events. Imagine brokering 5 rentals a month for just one exotic car at $1,000 a day. It's $5,000 a month in revenue. And even at a 20% cut, that means $1,000 in your pocket from a single car. And the demand is massive. According to Statista, the luxury car rental market is expected to grow over $30 billion globally by 2030. Events, music videos, weddings, and business executives are fueling this growth. The opportunities are endless if you know where to look. So let's talk about it. Why high-end or exotic car brokering is a hot opportunity. All right, so why is brokering such cars a gold mine right now? Answer: surging demand, guys. Post-pandemic, people are eager to celebrate life's milestones. Weddings, birthday parties, and even proposals now include exotic cars as status symbols. All right, many businesses are using exotic cars for advertising, campaigns, photo shoots, and corporate events. Influencers are renting these cars out daily for Instagram, right? Next, you got the repo crisis and financial struggles. Did you know that over 1.5 million vehicles were repossessed in 2023 alone? Rising interest rates and economic uncertainty mean many exotic car owners are struggling to keep up with their payments. It's where you step in. Instead of letting their cars sit idle or risk repossession, owners are more than open than ever to renting out their vehicles for extra income. All right, next point is no ownership, no risk. Here's the beauty. Unlike traditional car rentals, you don't deal with insurance premiums. You don't deal with maintenance or depreciation. The car owners take on those responsibilities while you focus on just bringing in renters. All right, so how to find a luxury and exotic cars to broker out. All right, so let's get to the heart of the matter. Where do you find these cars? Number one, it's gonna be Facebook Marketplace, all right? So search for exotic cars listed for sale for 30 days plus, all right? The older, the better. These owners are now desperate to move their cars. Approach them with this pitch. Just say, hey, I noticed your car has been on the market for a while. While you wait for a buyer, how about letting it earn you some money instead? I can connect you with vetted renters and handle everything for you and offer to split profits or take a flat commission per rental. All right, so that's one way you guys should approach them, and I guarantee you 1 out of 10 or 2 out of 10 will respond. The next is gonna be local car meetups, all right? Exotic car meetups are gold mines for finding luxury car owners, all right? Many attend these events just to show off their vehicles, but they're often interested in monetizing them when they're not driving the cars. All right, so that's definitely another gold mine you guys can tap into. Next thing is gonna be rental company partnerships. Reach out to luxury car rental businesses in your area. Many of them have cars sitting idle during off-peak times. Propose a partnership where you bring renters and you share the profits with them. All right, next is gonna be your private network, your social currency. Tap into high-end social media groups or LinkedIn forums or for luxury car enthusiasts or Facebook groups where people discuss exotic cars. Build relationships and let them know you're offering a hassle-free way to earn them revenue from their cars. All right. Next, you want to craft a winning pitch to these car owners. All right. So now that you found potential car owners, how do you get them on board? It's all about crafting a winning pitch that speaks to their plan, their pain points, and their goals. All right. So number one thing I'll do is focus on their struggles. All right. Highlight the repo crisis and the rising car payments. All right. Ask them, hey, are you worried about making your next payment? Let your car pay for itself by renting it out on days you're not using it. All right. Next thing is you want to offer convenience. All right. Position yourself as a full service broker. Tell them you're going to handle the marketing, vetting renters, and collecting payments. All right. They just need to hand you the key. All right. Then you want to also provide proof. All right, share real life examples. Tell them like, hey, one of my clients turned their idle Porsche into a $2,500 a month income stream without lifting a finger. This could be you. You know what I'm saying? You got to give them some bait. All right, now here's why customer vetting is very important, though. It's critical. All right, here's the deal. If you don't carefully vet your renters, you're gonna ruin your relationships with these car owners and with rental companies. Trust me, you don't want that. All right, so a few things about screening, some screening basics. Number one, you always gotta verify the driver's license, verify their insurance and their credit worthiness, all right? Run some background checks on them to avoid theft and damage claims also. Okay, next you got to do is build trust with these owners. All right, rental companies and private owners will only keep working with you if you send them reliable clients. All right, a single bad renter can lead to tens of thousands in damages, and that could cost you your reputation. All right, next thing too, guys. So let's talk about marketing. How do you market to get high-end customers for these exotic cars? So finding renters is gonna be the next step, all right? And here's how you do it, all right? We do targeted advertising, all right? You can go use Instagram or Google ads or Facebook ads to try to target high-income individuals looking for luxury experiences, all right? You could highlight occasions like weddings, music videos, and corporate events in your ads, all right? Next is you wanna leverage organic content, all right? You gotta post high-quality photos and videos of the cars on Instagram. All right, that's one big thing you guys could do. Use hashtags like hashtag luxury car rental and hashtag exotic cars to reach a wider audience. All right, next thing you need to do is ask for referrals. All right, offer discounts to repeat renters or those who refer new clients. All right, build relationships with event planners and influencers so you can get consistent bookings. I know a lot of you guys out there, everybody knows you in your city, right? You're just not leveraging those relationships. Put that social currency to work. The luxury car rental market is exploding, and brokering is your golden ticket to big profits without big risks. All right, whether you want a side hustle or a full-blown business, the time to start is now. But here's the thing, brokering isn't something you can figure out on your own. All right, you need the right strategies, you need templates, and you need community to support your journey. That's why I created my $49 a month community for aspiring car rental entrepreneurs just like you. Inside, you're gonna get proven scripts for pitching to car rental owners, all right? Step-by-step guides on finding renters, weekly Q&A sessions to answer all your questions. So click the link below, guys, to join now and take your first step towards financial freedom. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Start brokering your high-end cars today, and I'll see you guys on the inside. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and also please leave a comment so that way I can see that you guys are engaging with the material and I can continue to put out more. Thank you guys once again very much, and I'll see you on the next one.